Hey and welcome to Alpha. So we are now going to have a live session trading binary option once again, and if you see this as a recording, well, probably you're not subscribed to my channel, or you might just have not turned on the bell notification. So make sure you do that so you never lose a live stream just like this one. Also, when you join my live stream, make sure also that you have at least a demo account with this broker. You find the link below the video, and if you want to start with real money, well, you find below the video a promo code that gives you 200% on your first deposit. Okay, now for the ones coming into this live stream, welcome. I'm now going to be starting to make things ready for this live stream. Okay, so now let's see that everything is in order, that we do have sound and everything seems to be okay. Let me check. Things looks to be up and running properly. Let me see if there are some people live also. Let me see. Internal, so nice to see you. I'm now just preparing everything and we will get started. Looks like we have a good trade going on already with Binance coin. I'll take a sell there now. If we get up there again, let's see. Let's drag this line down there. This looks nice. Would be cool to get a trade so fast in a live session. Let's see. Let's see if we get up there again. We will go in. How you been trading until now? By the way, like we did yesterday, I do not have an extra tablet or computer up and running, so I do not see the chats, so I will check in once in a while when there are nothing going on. So anything you all want to write, just write and I will get back to you as soon as I'm able to. Now let's see. Let's zoom. We need to reset this view. Let's zoom in so I can see better. We are ready. Let me see if this line is, yeah, I think there is good. We will take our entry there. If we get up again, that is. For now I'm not in. Almost, but almost is sadly not good enough. But if anyone was a little trigger happy and got in here, yes, you were in luck. You got a good entry and you probably have made some money very soon now. But for me, I see that was a small space in between, so I did not get in. Let me see if someone did take it. No. And when you come into a live stream, help me out, push the like button. I really like that, because you helped me tremendously by doing so. Because more people that like the video, YouTube have that thing that they show this video for more, that live stream, and more people get in, more fun it is for me. Also, from 23 of October, we will start to be trading 2 live streams. So you find the links below the videos later on that you will need to use. There are no more live stream going forward in Saturday and Sunday. I have figured out I want these 2 days to be free days. But like I'm compensating by doing 2 live streams instead from 23 of October. So it's just a way of me to give me more free days, but work more in the days I'm working. Let's open Ethereum Classic also. We are doing equally good with that one. Let's see. Let's zoom out. Like just to give example, this is an area we would have been trading, but for now we need to put it in a blue color. In the bottom here might be interesting. I'm not 100% sure now. What I will do, I'll keep it blue for now, but I will zoom out and see if this was the region before. Looks like was something here and here, so that's why I think I will actually just take a trade in the bottom there right away if get down there. Let's see. So our trading zone right now, it's here and here. This one we need to wait for one test, but this over here we will be trading. Over here we have some type of resistance, hopefully it hold. If this area hold, it's a higher probability we get a trade on here now. I will jump a little in between this one and Binance coin for now, and maybe take some normal forex pairs also. Forex pairs we will trade without OTC because they are not so heavily traded by the broker. So if we trade OTC with forex, is a higher chance that we will lose. Looks like now he's breaking, so let's go over to Binance and see if it's better there. Okay, we are a little far away here also. Would I trade this on here? Maybe. It's a little tight, but as it's the last day of the week trading, we can at least make it a blue line and see where we can get an entry. Here fits with this, so let's see. I want to see where we can get in. Now let's see. We are just waiting for now. But yes, as it's a Friday, we are looking strongly on this line here also, even though typically I don't trade two lines this close to each other. Then I typically take the stronger one, and the stronger one I would clearly see, and you can see also that this is on the top, because you just can see how many times you have tested here, but not only here, but you can see over here also. So this top line here is amazingly strong. This one here you see easily get broken once in a while, so I would not have traded this one, but I'm open for it now, depending on this bar or the next. If you can get a test on here, if you make a lower area like this one, now he's breaking it. When we find a lower one, then I need much more test, and for now I'm actually not interested at all to trade here, because we don't have a clear area to enter, and it's not for me. Let me see if there are any more people live in this session. Do not looks like that, but that is completely fine. We are going to make some money today, I hope. Now he make a area now also, this area we see, but he only got one test, so that does not give me much, but let's see. This one is probably stronger than the one that was up here, but I think I will need to have at least one more test of this line before I activate it, and then I need a perfect test. So let's see now. There, that will be good, but you see he made lower, so then we need to wait again. So I think let's go back to Ethereum Classic, because we are not interested at all to trade on this coin right now. By the way, do you hear me good? I did test with headset before the live session, but just to be sure, it would be nice to know. I'm not sure, even if you don't hear me good, I'm not sure I'm able to fix it, because I do not have any microphone here. My normal setup in Sao Paulo, Brazil, I do have a microphone, and there I have the possibility to fix a little the sound. Here is very limited at what I can do, and I think if I do set up the sound, we get some problem, the sound will not be good. But of course, if no one hear me, I will try to work a little on it, but it should be the same setup like we had yesterday. If you come down here again, I will take a trade, by the way. So let's see why I will do that. Let me check the chat. Sound is good. Okay, thank you so much. Then I will not think more about that. Let's go back. So we are looking for a buy on this line down there. We just need a good push down. There are some type of support in this region here, so let's see if we can just break that now. We see heat stop exactly on this support, like you see on this bar there. If we break this line there, next stop is our green line, and we probably can take our first trade. Let me change the 30 if that happened. Now let's see. We are ready. Okay. Okay. Little more, and we take it. There we are in. Now let's hope that will go good. Let's follow. So that's the first trade of the day for Ethereum Classic against the dollar. We just need to wait our typical 30 seconds. Looks like we got a good pinned bar down there. So now let's see. Just wait more. 7 seconds, and let's see. And yes, good start. There we got our first win, and we have $98. Cool. Let's see, looks like you're going down again. I will take one more down there if we do. Let's remove this so you see things better. Let's zoom in. Now the bar is very close to down area of the screen, but let's see. We still see what's going on. Do you know what? I will drag it up. We can reset the bar after. Let's see. We are ready. This bar, as you see, is not showing. It's because sometimes the browser forget the bars, especially on the computer I'm using now. So if I reload now, you will see. But I will not do that now because you're too close to the area of interest, so we need to wait. If you go a little up, I will show you what will happen if you reload and the bars will come back. But now let's see. We are ready at least to go in. We have a line at 14.239 for the ones that have not paid attention to this line. It's always the green number. And you see the color scheme I'm using is the same as the color scheme of the up and down button. So I think now we can do a reload just so you can see the bars. Pay attention to this bar there. And let's cross our fingers, no trades come in the time, and did not. Let's cross this, and now you can see the bar here we did take the trade on. So this bar sometimes, like I said before, the cookies you have on your browser sometimes is very full, or your system itself is a little too slow to be able sometimes to remember all the bars. Okay. But the broker have them, so it's a computer problem you have. So like me, this portable computer is not even close to the speed of the one I use in my normal live sessions when I'm back in my office. So now let's see. Let me see if there's some more people live, by the way. You won, perfect, happy for that. Seems like the only us that is live trading. If any other come in live trading, let me know. If you have just started, let me know. It's always nice to see new people. Now let's see, I'm ready to go in again in the button. So that means both of us are 1 for 1. We have done one trade and we have one winner. And not only that, you can see up here, every time you're trading we get cash back. That is something I take on my recap video. So we are now waiting. One thing, when you reload or you open a new, remember always to change this to 30. 5 seconds, basically it's gambling. You have no way to be a profitable trader using 5 seconds, just so you know. It's like using a coin. Now we are getting close. I'm ready. If we get down there again, we are going in. And I'm in. Let's follow this thread and let's see. Now we need again wait our 20 seconds. He's pushing hard down this time, so let's hope we get a reaction up now. For now I don't feel confident about the trade. We are too close to our entry. For now in the money, and looks like we're losing it. Yeah, we lost that one, but that was too close. If I had stopped, if there was like 3 seconds more, we would have won it. Very annoying, but nothing we can do with. We are now $2 in minus. Okay, let's continue, but we will continue taking trades, and I think I'll take actually the same entry. Let's see, and we are ready. There, we are in. Now let's see how this will play out. If we do better now, we lost another trade. If we lose this now, we will move a little away from Ethereum Classic and follow a little more on Binance Coin, but let's see. Currently we are in and out of the money like the other one. Would be nice if we could win this one now. We are like 50-50 here now. 3, 2, and that now start to annoy me. Okay, I think we take a small break from Ethereum Classic. I will take a look first. We are 102. I will not change for 200 yet. Let's move our line a little. I still feel this is good. There, I'm in again. If we lose this one now, we will move away and change our bid for 200. Let's see. 200 is, by the way, my highest bid. So let's see. But if we win this now, we continue with 100. Let's see. But yes, we need a win now, because now we have our win rate is not so good. In and out also this time. Come on now. Yes, we won that one. Cool. Plus 98. Okay. I will continue trading on this line. Let's see if we can turn profit now. If we get down again. We are now at basically are in zero, $4 minus, but we have this, so that means we are $12 in profit. So basically we have gone in zero in without trading till now, but that is completely fine. Now let's see. Let me see if there are any questions. Yeah, basically you have the same like me. You don't get based on your losing trades. You basically will get for every single trade you do. So if you win or lose, you get some cash back. Okay. Also, yeah, the delay is actually better. That is true, Eternal. So you get your cash back every Monday. Okay. But that is only as long as I do get paid. But lately, oh, wait a little now. Cashback. Yeah, I'm thinking about another broker. Sorry. Yes, you get cashback for every single trade. Actually, sorry, for every single trade, and there are no limit. You can just pay attention to when I'm trading. How it works is, if you trade a OTC pair, let's say you use $100 like me, you get $4 cashback. Okay. But if you trade a non-OTC pair, then, for example, for $100 I get $2 cashback. Okay, so then you can just take that number lower for the amount of money you are trading with, or higher if you trade higher than me. Works like that. Okay, so this cashback is quite pretty nice because it helps you to make more money. And So yeah, it's a cool thing. Sometimes we need to remember now, I'm in a time zone I'm not used to. It's 5 hours different from my original time zone. So basically this would have been in the middle of night for me. So I'm trading here in Europa now, and it's a trade 7:30. It's the same timeline as Paris, and in Sao Paulo, Brazil, basically it's 5 hours before. So now it's basically, if I follow my own time zone, it would be like 2:40 in the night. So my head is not always 100% there, just because of that. Now let's reset the chart, take a look. We can take a small break from this pair now. Let's check Binance Coin. And just keep coming with the questions. I like activity in the chat. Now, once again, I do when I'm in my office, I will be in my office from 23 of October again. Then I do have an extra computer or a tablet up so I can see the chat. This type of luxury I do not have right now, so I come in and check the questions I get in the chat once in a while, like at least each 5 or 10 minutes. Now let's see, I do not think I'll take a trade in the top. I need to wait. Let's make it blue, just so you understand that when you have been away for a little while, I need to see if this still is the area that you're going to trade. As we see, over here was a little higher and sometimes can be a little lower. Like you see here, it's a slightly lower than over here. So for all you know, this might be the area now. So the reason for that is we are trading on 1 minute, and basically if you go into like 1 hour or 30 minutes or something, all this area here can be what is a support level or resistance level, because it's a huge area compared with what you see on the 1 minute. So that means this area here will slightly change, but when you test it one time, it will be for that time, but if you're away for a little while, it might move a little, so just be aware of that. Now I'll see if there are more questions as we are waiting. Okay, no more questions, and thank you all for the likes. I see we got 3 likes. This helped me tremendously. Now let's continue. Also, you have this box up here. I did test it a little in one live stream. I have not had any luck with it, but cost $10 if someone feels for gambling. It's not my type of thing, but maybe it is for some of the other ones. Now let's see. I am not so sure how great your win chance is up here. I think I spent like $100, and I think maybe I lost around 50. So, but I have never been lucky with this type of things, so if you are a person with much luck, you can test it out, but like I said, it's not for me. Now let's see. The area I'm interested is down here, but you're far away from that. I think no, maybe. Let me see here now. Let's check here how things looks like. Do not like so much to trade here. Let me see. It's not super strong, that's the thing. It's the one up here I like. I don't feel comfortable here because I feel that what will happen is that he'll go with a bar, test the support here and go up higher. That is how I feel it, so that's why I don't like this region up here that much. Let's rather open some forex pair and see if we can find something there. When I choose my forex pairs, I don't care that much which pair it is. All of this for me works the same, but the ones with the fire sign, we are not going to be trading. We keep to the ones that is not fire, that means none of the C pairs. So when you see this mark with forex, I don't trade it. I keep to the ones that are not. If you need me to explain why, I will do so. Now let's take this one here. Here looks like we see we have trend downwards, so I will not do it. See here now, We have a trend going downwards. We need it to break. Looks like it's breaking now. Yeah, that means we can mark this one there, make it a green line, remove this trend line, and we will take a trade on the green line if we get down there. Let's see. I'm ready. Come on now. I mean, the entry, not the best, but let's see. Let's wait and see. I will give it a good chance to win, even though the entry is not the best. Let's see. Now this one we will need to wait 1 minute. While we're waiting, I can see if we have any questions. No more questions. That is completely fine. Let's go back and look at the trade we just did. He's in and out of the money right now, but we still have 20 seconds left, so let's hope he starts to get the reaction upwards we need. Come on now. He's really pushing hard downwards. Come on, it would be nice to get a win here now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We got it. Sweet, then we are in the profit. Did anyone else take this trade, and if so, did you win? I will move my line a little more down, I see. Let's zoom in to see. I think I want it at least down there. So if you get down there, we will take again. Let's see. Let me know if anyone was trading this one. And what was your outcome of that trade? Now let me see if anyone did take. Made 2 trades and 1. Amazing, amazing. Then you are around in profit also. Now we are moving a little away from the line, so let's check Ethereum Classic. What is going on there? So you can see what I told about. He broke this area, now it's support. I would actually want to trade the support. Let's do that. Because I see him go up from here. So if you get down there again, I will take it. Let's see. Because I think we'll get a continuation up to this line. This is the best line, by the way. But we need one test before we can do it. Probably he will not go down here again. Let's check Binance Coin. Okay. Looks like this area is the new place. Little low, but hey, what can we do? Let's mark it. I want to wait this bar at least before I think about it. So if this one closes down here again, I will activate the line there. Let's see. We can make to third instead of trader at least. Okay, for now looks pretty darn good for me. I'm ready to change the color. No, I think I'll do it already. I like it already. So I did put the line now at 209.56. So now let's see how that will play out. Let's also check how long time we have been trading. We have been trading now for almost half time. We are at the 30-minute mark. So we will trade more 30 minutes. Now, as I reply many times, would I trade on here? I would say no, but today, yes. Only because we are on a Friday and I want some more trades. Should you trade the same like me now? Probably not. This is me just being more active. But you see this area is actually pretty strong, so let's see. Let's go. So if we get down to the green line, I will trade. This one is not so strong, so up to you. It's always up to you, of course. But There, we are in. Let's see how that will play out. While this goes on, I will get myself one soda. Okay. The good thing when you're down in the basement, because yes, I'm in the basement, everything is cold from before. I don't even need a refrigerator. So we won that one. So we earned ourselves $101. So 101. Our profit is then 175. Now we can't trade more on this line, so let's remove it because it's broken. Let's see. Now I will trade in the top line because you see it's pretty strong. So let's see if we can get up there. We are ready. And now after I will check the chat if someone else is trading and if you are winning. I'm pretty sure internal will detect the trade on here. Now let's see. Ooh, what I did now. That was terrible. I just pushed it by mistake. I'll take one more in the top. There, we have 2-1. 2 is going on now. If you're super lucky, you win both. But I'm not expecting this one here because you see many closed higher than this one. So if you can just win the first one, I will feel very good about it. We need to wait more. 5 seconds. Come on now. If we win this one, then we are doing very... I was not expecting it. I was not expecting to win that one. And if we lose this one, then it will be very bad. We lost both of them, of course we did. Of course we need to lose both of them. And that was super annoying. Then we lost all our profit. So we are $25, but it's okay. We will continue. Let's zoom in. Let's remove this. I'm not going to change the 200 bids, but we're going to keep it there. I moved my line to 209.66. We are ready to go in again. If we just can get up to this red line. So right now we are in zero. I am $25 in minus, but I have cash back of 30, so we have $5 plus. But it's not something I'm interested about. I want profit. So let's go. We are ready. I need myself a good entry this time. And like internal did mention, the delay on the button is very good today. It's basically almost instant from when I click to get a trade. Let's see. We are ready. No. Let's check Ethereum Classic very fast. No. Let's check our other pair. Okay, we are down there now again. Let's see. And now I think I want my line down there, looking at these ones here. We are basically just one trade away to turn some profit this Friday morning. Let's jump over to Binance Coin. Nope. Nope. This is the closest one right now, I would say. While we're waiting, let me check the chat. No more information there. And a little low activity. I see there have been, through this live session, we have just had a total of 9 people joining. That is very low, but of course It's not a regular time to trade. Typically we are 5 hours later with our live streams, but like I explained before, while I'm here in Europa I'm not able to do so. Let's see. Now looks like this might turn into support. Let's see, or maybe not. Yeah, it's supporting quite good there now. So maybe we'll not get down to a line down here now. No, look. Let's go back to Binance to check here very fast. Very low here now. We do have an interest zone down there. We need one test. So let's see. Around here we are interested. That is good enough area. Space in between. But we get a very good reaction here, so maybe we'll not get down. Let's see. No. The on top I will still trade if you come up, but you're a little far away, and we also need to break this resistance here. I do not think he will do that in one try. So let's move over to Ethereum Classic. Okay. Not so tradable either. Let's go to this one. Euro again. Okay. Here is our best choice. I'm ready to go in. If we can get down to our green line. We see that he's playing much around the same area, but we want a better entry because you see 3 times he have been down here, just to make ourselves with a higher probability of winning. Now I will show you something else I'm seeing. You see that we have a slow loop of trend going downwards. We are aware of it, but we still have much space to move in. So I'm not thinking too much of this trend line right now, but we are aware of that we do have a trend going downwards here, and he probably will need to choose in between the trend downwards or the green support. Now let's see if you can just get a little more down. I will go in. Come on. Almost. No. As you see, we have a lot of space yet here now, so I don't think too much about this trend line. It might look like this is a trend line more on a 5 or 15 minutes, but we managed to see it quite well on the 1 minute. And I'm not in yet, but this was very close to the area we enter. I'm in. Did not get the best entry, but let's see. If we win this trade now, we are in profit again. Let's go. Let's see if someone else did take the trade. Did you take this trade, Eternal? Let me go and see if I won or not. For now we're in the money, but we need to wait more 25 seconds. While I do so, let me see if I got a reply. Yeah, same like me, I got a bad entry. So we guess we need to see what will happen. He's pushing much up and down, so, and looks like we're getting a big loss. Maybe not. Let's see. Come on. Oh, come on. I got it. And he's high up for you also, so probably, depending if you... For me, I got it. I got deep in the money also, in the time I closed. But I don't think I'll trade more here right now, because you got a lower lows. But we got a $78. Did you win that trade, Eternal? Let me know. I will go and check right away, because you're not trading on this pair, by the way. Let's see. Yeah, good. That was a hard one, but that's nice to see that we both are doing good here now. Thing is that sometimes he moves so crazy, and it's difficult to get a good entry. That is because sometimes when you get close to support and resistance, many think it's because you enter a trade. It's not so. Yes, on OTC it is actually something to do with your trading, but when you trade on, for example, these ones, sometimes when you enter a trade, it's because we enter in a very good area. It's a support area. The reason the bar sometimes start to move incredibly fast in the time we enter a trade is because we're coming to an area where it's very tradable. Many people are trading because we're basically following a typical forex pair, and many have open trades around in support. Many can have a short trade and many can have a long trade. A long trade means buy, a short means sell. And that means the bar will move crazy fast when he come very close to a very good entry. That means where we are interested in to take an entry. So that's why it's moving crazy fast. So once again, when we trade on non-OTC, have nothing to do with the trades we take. It has to do with the bars are close to a very tradable, when a lot of money are spent. So let's continue. We might have an interesting area down here. I do not like that this one is lower than this one here, but let's move our line down. Let's make it blue, and let's wait. We need one more test down here, but that test can't be lower than the bar here. So let's wait and see what will happen there. Let's go to Binance. Okay, this one here I like. So let's move our line down to here. If we get down there, I will take a buy. Let's just zoom out and see, and we see it over here also, that was area. So I feel comfortable taking a trade down on the green line. That will be a 30 seconds trade, of course. Currently we have $53 profit, not the most. I think a win rate today is around badly 55%, but thankful also to the cashback, we are still making some money. I think our profit is very close now to around $100, so it's not that much, but like I said, we are making money, and that's most important this Friday morning. Currently outside here now where I'm staying, it's 4 degrees, so it's super cold. Where I'm used to in Sao Paulo, Brazil, I have like 30, so it can even have 40, so it's a huge difference. But let's see. I do look for a buy on this green line again if you get down there. Now let's see. This bar, this one is going slightly upwards, but we have a break here, so I can't count it as a trend either. Let me see if there are any questions while we're waiting. Nope. Okay. I mean, bad entry, but let's see. Now we just need to wait and see. I guess internal that you did take this trade also. I hope you got a better entry than me, and it looks like you're breaking down. So once again, not the best win rate for today. This looks terrible actually, just terrible. He really broke. It's not even a hope that you're going to win that one here. Yeah, we lost that one. I'm sadly in minus 10. I'm in minus 47. Even with the cashback, I'm in minus. So today we are not doing that hot. But I will at least try not to get a losing day. Let me see how much time we have left. We are now traded for 45 minutes, so we have a good 15 minutes or so left. Yeah, there were not even a question about this one internal. We were not even close. Yeah, are you profit for the day, or are you as me a little in minus? Let me know. Because at least the times when I'm doing bad myself, I get a little happy if the ones that follow me make profit, so I really hope that you're in profit, even though I'm not. But I think we still have time to probably get in a couple more trades, so we can turn profit, both of us. Now down here, we are a little far away right now. I think we'll look for something else. Let's go down, see. Euro against Canadian dollar, let's check that one. I am interested down there. Let's mark it. Take a horizontal line there, around in this area. If we get down there, I'm interested to go in with a buy trade. Oh, no. This is OTC. We don't trade OTC with Forex. Let's check again. Ah, yeah, it's OTC. I was supposed to push this one. Now let's see. Looks a little different, and we're getting higher and higher, so I don't want, and you see he broke it. I was almost expecting it. Let's go back to Binance. I check there. Okay, we maybe are interested down there. Let's check. Yes, we are. I will take right away actually if you come down there. So let's go. Let's see if we can get a win down there. If we get down there again, I do believe that we'll get a refusement here because this support was pretty strong. So this is no turn resistance. So I am pretty sure we'll get a retest of this green line down there. And with a win here now, we will be back in the profit again. But win rate today, it's not good. So this Friday morning have not been the best, but let's see if we can turn from profit at least. Oh, let's see. Typically our win rate is around 7-8 wins for 10 trades, but today is not the case. But still our average trade will still is around 7, I think, this year. 7.2 maybe, if I take the calculation. I have not taken the calculation, but if I do, I think it's around there. Okay, how long time do we have left? We are going to trade a good 10 minutes more, so probably we will have time to hopefully get it 1 or 2 more trades, I hope, and with that we can turn some profit. So I really hope we can get some good entries. Let's check Ethereum Classic. See this one? Here is something I don't like. I don't like when you see one is higher than this one. That's why I don't even mark it. So we are not trading that one for now. There might be something up here. I will mark it just so we can follow later on. Let's see. Let's go back to Binance. A little far away from a trading there also. Let's check this one. Okay, would I trade down here now? I would say probably only. I need one test at least, so I think we change the color to blue. I need something that looks like this bar over here. Let's check this one here. Here sadly I do not see nothing. We are very far from a trade here also. Let's check if we have some more cryptocurrency. It's Dodge. I never trade Dodge. I have a so bad win rate on Dodge that is not even funny. Polygon, we're doing quite good on that one, but we are breaking down there also. This, and he even broke this area, so not even fun. Let's move on. Quant, Ripple, you can check. So you see on here, down here, it's amazing. I will take a trade there, but I will try to mark it before I do. If I win, I have a chance there. Yes, we take it. So we won that. No, won. We did manage to get in there before the time. Like you see, I'm so tired I even talk about winning without taking trades. So now let's see, I'm ready. Come on now. There, I'm in. He's breaking a little hard down, so I don't feel comfortable there now. Come on now. He's right now we are in the money, but I'm not feeling comfortable about it. I want us to go a little more up now. Looks like he's going to break down this one also. Come on now. I talked too much about winning, so I lost the trade. Get droga. We are now 147. What I'll do now, I'll take 200 trade in the end now, like a Hail Mary. Let's see. Like I said before, I always go up to 200 in the end of my, if I that is my limit trade. I never go higher, so don't confuse this with martingale, because it's not. I always give myself room to go up to 200 if I need to, but that is my limit. My emotions take over if I go higher. Here this start to look good, as this one was lower than this one here. Let's mark it to red. That probably can be our last trade of this session. Now we are 8 minutes, so if you're lucky we can get in one more. Let's see, let's change for 30. I'm ready. So that will be a $200 trade. Either will go much more in minus, and like I said, don't confuse that they go from 100 to 200 with martingale. It's nothing to do with that. It's just that I trade with 100, and if I go little in minus, I give myself the possibility to go up to 200 in my trading session. So let's see now. I'm ready. If we get up to this red line, but I never go higher than 200. My plan going forward is maybe I will go up later and trade higher values, but for now that is where my emotional block is. I don't trade more than 200. So with 200 now, we are basically one trade away to turn profit. If I trade 100 now, we will be 2 trades away. And as we have so little time left, it's not even written in stone we will get one more trade, because we need a setup. But let's see, we are not far away, so I hope we get one more. And if we lose it, do not look that good for this live session. But let's see. Eternal, you can update me about how your state is. Are you now in 0? Are you in profit, or are you like me, a little in minus? Let me know. Let's check Binance. I really need a trade. Let me check the timer. We have just 5 minutes left, so You are a little in minus also. Yeah, that's the thing. This was not the best live session, and I'm sorry for that. Now let's see. But if I can get a win on this red line here now, that would put me in profit, because I do a 200 trade. Win rate, that means if I win one more trade, that means I would have 50% win rate. I think right now we are like 40 something, 47 or something, so we are not good today. Would I trade down here? No, I need one test before I can do it. Sadly, looks like we need to wait one more bar. While we do so, let's go back to Binance. And I don't see anything there. Let's go to this one. I don't see anything here. Let's go here. Down here could be interesting, but it's lower than the ones here, so that's why I don't do it. Let's go to Ripple. Ripple do look interesting. Let's see. Down here. Let's take 30 seconds. I will go in if you get down there. Come on. I'm not in yet. That was so close. Come on now. Give me a trade. There, I mean, yes, at least we got a trade. We got some action in the last minutes. We do have just like 3 minutes left of the live stream, so this will probably be the last trade of the day. If we win this one now, we are turning profit. If we lose, we have another losing day. That means maybe like 13 over 1.5 year. Come on now. That was a losing. So that means I think our official state then is 13 lost over a part of 1.5 year. Now I will take one more, as we did not break too much down. Take one there. So either, let me check the timer. We still have 2 minutes left, so if you're lucky we can get in 2 trades. Let me see, minus 200. Let's see. Don't give me a losing here now. 3, 2, and we won it. 396. Okay, I will take one more if we get down there again. Let's go. Then we are plus 196. Maybe we'll if we get one more trade now. Let me check the timer, how we are. We have 2 minutes left. Okay, maybe you're lucky and get one more trade. Let's see. That will be fun, because then we are in small profit at least. Come on now. Oh, I mean, ooh, terrible entry. But at least we have a chance to go in profit. Let's see. But it's a terrible entry. Just terrible. But let's pray for the gods of binary option to give us a win, because then we are not getting a losing session in the last minutes. Right now we are deep in the money. Come on now. 5, 4, 3, 2, and we got it. That means we actually did turn some profit here. 196. So I turned $45 profit. But then of course with cashback we did actually go around $100 profit. So we got some action in the end here. I was going to say we got 13 losses over a time of 1.5 year, but in the end we actually did end up with a small profit. So that is that was some action in the end here. We got a couple of more extra trades. We have now traded for 59 minutes and 48 seconds, so we did in the last seconds managed to turn this into a profitable session. So that was a little fun. But yes, I will be back again Monday, same time, so tune in then. But then also make sure you at least open with this broker. You will find a link below the video for that, and if you are in this live stream you will find it in the chat. It's pinned. Eternal, did you by the way take more trades before I go for the day, or did you stop? Because I got within 3 minutes I got 2 more trades in the end, as you could see, so I did hardly make a small profit, we can say. At least I did not turn minus for the day. Okay, so you should then be close to 0 then, I hope. Yeah, I think so. I think you are. Okay, but that is actually from a so bad day, that is actually not that bad. So you have done very good then. Okay, have an amazing day, and thank you so much Internal for keeping me company. It makes my day, makes my live stream go much faster when I have someone trading together with me. So with that, have an amazing day. See you in Monday.